करीना जी नहीं वो थोड़ा बात तो करना स्टेज खाली बता
Yeah, I'm coming, huh? I hope my hair is very important.
Karina, center.
I'm at right.
I'm down here. Karina, I'm here.
I'm left. I'm left.
I'm here. I'm here. You're right. Karina, I'm down. Karina, I'm here. You're here.
I'm here left.
मैडम लेफ्ट साइड टर्न टर्न टर्न
I'm here. I'm left here.
थोड़ा सा राइट राइट में करीना जी आप मैडम
I'm here.
मैम लेफ्ट
I'm here.
करीना मैडम मैम सेंड ओवर मैडम थोड़ा आगे थोड़ा सा सेंटर मैम
मैं भी
I'm right में
करीना जी राइट में
मैम here. मैडम here.
I'm here.
मैडम here.
I'm here.
Karina जी.
I'm here. Karina ji here.
अरुण पीछे आ
मैम
मैम पीछे आना मैम ये सेंटर पीछे वाली सेल्फी के लिए बात कर
Karina जी.
What?
चलिए रोलिंग या रोल कैसे अरे म्यूजिक कम चलो रोलिंग क्योंकि करिए कि मावी फिल्म फेस्टिवल मैम सेक्टर क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप फेस्टिवल के बारे में आज का
I think मामी की खासियत ये है कि I'm very happy कि it's happening in my own city. हमारी I think मुंबई सिटी की शान है इतनी बड़ी festival that has been put together to celebrate cinema. I think that actually it's the first time पहली बार आ रही हूँ मामी के लिए. I think it's something that I needed to lend my support to just be a part of the fraternity, feel a part of the city, feel like a Mumbaiker. And also I think that it's about artists, it's about movies, it's about films. And I think it's just great and everyone's working so hard to put this together. So I'm so happy.
करीना, हमने कभी भी बॉलीवुड की अगर बात की जाए तो कभी भी हमने किसी आर्टिस्ट को जो टू बी मॉम है उसे इतना बिजी नहीं देखा है जितना आपको बिजी देखा. आप फोटोशूट कराती हैं, आप कहीं जाके कुछ इनॉग्रेट करके मामी फिल्म फेस्टिवल में मतलब पार्टी में आती हैं. मतलब यू हैव सेट अ न्यू स्टैंडर्ड एंड न्यू रूल.
नहीं, I don't think so. I think that I don't know. I mean, it's the most normal thing. It's the most beautiful thing, and I think that जैसे you get married, you share your happiness with everyone, and pregnancy is also something that you must share with everybody. It's not that I should, if I'm having a baby or I'm pregnant, I should sit at home. It doesn't mean that. I'm a working woman, and I would continue to work all my life. मैंने हमेशा कहा है, तो ऐसे कोई एग्जाम्पल कॉन्शियसली सेट करने नहीं गई हूँ, बस ऐसे हो गया है कि आई ऑलवेज कंटिन्यूड माई वर्क. I loved the film, obviously.
ऐश्वर्या की परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में क्या कहेंगे?
बल्कि I think all actors, whether it's Ranbir or Anushka or Ash, I think everyone has done such a fantastic job in the film, and I think audience is going to love the film. Like, I mean, I think it's Karan's best.
करीना, वीरे दी वेडिंग आपकी नेक्स्ट फिल्म आ रही है, उसके बारे में अगर कुछ बताएं कि किस स्टेज में है और किस तरह का रोल है आपका?
नहीं, रोल तो this is one of the most glamorous moms.
How nice to see you like my darling.
But I keep stalking you. I should have come for the opening night, but Nian said both.
I know. I keep getting apologies. Princess K, I'm so sorry. He's too cute.
He's lovely, but he's like, you have to go, you have to go. I said, yeah, I'm going.
So happy.
I said, I'm going only to see Kiran's look.
Yeah. Because Kiran is the most stylish.
Really.
Middle of her interview, yeah.
थोड़ा सा सेंटर में आ जाइए ना.
और थोड़ा
Both left.
Karina, center here.
क्या मैम?
So
Thank
when
you.
now I missed it at Royal Opera. It was amazing.
It was fabulous.
We missed you. It was lovely. I mean, it was just such a
I
different
know.
setting.
I saw the
It was
pictures.
And Shankar sang like a dream at the end and all. It was lovely.
And then Konkana's movie.
Konkana's movie was the next
Really
day.
nice.
Lovely. And you're the highlight now. Mid-festival highlight.
I know, but we should catch some of the movies also, na?
Yeah, you have to catch some movies. Lovely movies.
Yeah.
Beautiful films. So the programming is amazing. The festival is on till the 27th. 27th is our last day and our closing, for which it would be wonderful if you made a trek to Bandra, where you actually.
Where is it in Bandra?
In Rang Mandir. It's round the corner from me.
If I come once more, they'll kill me. They'll be like, you're like turning up for these events.
No, full power.
किरण आपसे जानना चाहिए करीना फर्स्ट टाइम मम्मी बनने आ रही है आप कुछ
Oh God!
Listen, I have told them I'm not doing
Tips,
this.
tips नहीं है. Tips ऐसे I want to look like
क्या
Kiran.
देना tips?
Huh? Please. And where is Amin?
कुछ और solo. Do some solo.
हाँ तो आप
I'm here. I'm here.
I'm straight.
Right, my right.
करीना आप
You look so cute. I'm very much.
Now I'm wading through everywhere. I
You're
think.
looking too cute. I saw some airport.
Oh,
You're looking adorable.
They're stalking me.
ले जाओ
Oh,
ना
Diana.
अच्छा all good.
करीना आपने बताया कि आपको फिल्म बहुत पसंद आई, परफॉर्मेंस भी पसंद आए, लेकिन जो कंट्रोवर्सी हुई है दिलो इमोशनल को लेकर उसके बारे में कुछ कहेंगे?
But I think Mami is the place where we're celebrating cinema. It's about, films, movies that we love, that we want to celebrate. I don't think it's a place to talk about controversies. And that's why Mami is a festival which, talks about, films and different artists, different films. So I don't think we should spoil the mood and talk about something that already has been resolved.
अच्छा वीरा दी वेडिंग के बारे में कुछ बताने वाले हैं क्या?
Well, we're very excited about the film. It's going to be India's first kind of typical chick flick, जिसे कहते हैं. And yeah, hopefully it'll be lots of fun and very exciting. And it's all about women power, and of course good-looking people.
Karina, one last question, Karina. Because you do so many brand endorsements, your reaction on this. अगर किसी सेलर को अगर ब्रांड एज अ ब्रांड एंडोर्समेंट निकाल देते हैं तो क्या उसका पॉपुलैरिटी या स्टार वैल्यू अफेक्ट होता है बिकॉज ऑफ दैट?
No, I don't think so. I think that, there's enough brands in the market. I think aajkal to means a lot of people are endorsing my brands. Tomorrow even किसी कोई भी हो, if somebody calls up, I think everybody is endorsing 20 brands. ऐसे कोई ब्रांड नहीं है कि अगर आइसक्रीम है तो मार्केट में 10 आइसक्रीम है, तो ना एक आर्टिस्ट 10 आइसक्रीम थोड़ी कर सकता है. And let me tell you, every actor is endorsing every brand. You calling me for any brand, I'll endorse your brand.
Thank you so much.
भाई इरफान भाई को बुलाओ. इरफान भाई.